Okay guys, it is Thursday, June 13th at Mammoth Mountain, and I'm just gonna do a little trail preview so you guys know what the conditions look like. Smooth operators open, shotguns open. I took Big Ring to come up here. Gonna do a quick run down this so you can see what's going on. Dry as always. Welcome to Mammoth. It was pretty windy last night. It's been warm. So it's about 9 o'clock, and I'd say it's in the mid 70s already. So let's see how this rolls. Oh yeah. Still pretty rough in here. Oh, that was f***ed up. Way offline. Definitely need to get better in that section. And then I'm figuring that out a little bit better. And then going wide here. Oh, this is way off. That's slow. Just lost a ton of speed. Yeah, gotta get better in there too. All right, that was shotgun.